Hey, what's up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to be answering Sarah's questions in my comments in my last video. All right. Sarah wants to know, should you decline or should you just let the time run out? Does it affect your acceptance rating either way or not? And she also wants to know how to back out of an order after you've already accepted it. So, I'm going to show you how to back out of an order after I tell you that whether you decline or let the time run out, your acceptance rating is still going to be affected. Some people have tried to argue that letting the time run out does not affect your acceptance rating because their little experiment of doing it, their acceptance rating doesn't go down. But sometimes you can decline the order and your acceptance rating doesn't go down. You know what I'm trying to say? Your acceptance rating goes off your last 100 deliveries that Doordash sends you. And it's off a rolling 100 deliveries. So it won't go down every time you decline, and it won't go up every time you accept. You know what I mean? It's just the last 100 deliveries, how many did you decline? Like one to drop off every time they send you an order. You know what I'm saying? So it might be one that you accepted dropped off. Like you might have accepted an order and your acceptance rating stayed the same because one of your accepted orders dropped off in that 100 order, in the last 100 orders. It goes off a rolling 100. So either way, if you let the time run out, it's going to affect your acceptance rating, and if you decline the order, it's going to affect your acceptance rating. But like I said in my other videos, your acceptance rating does not even matter unless you want to be a top dasher. Some people want to be a top dasher because in their area it's impossible to get on the schedule if you're not a top dasher when they want to dash. So that's understandable, but you will never be deactivated for a low acceptance rating. My acceptance rating right now at this moment is a 1%. And just letting the time run out, that's a waste of your time. That's 60 seconds or 90 seconds or whatever it pops up as that you could be declining other orders or accepting another order. You're just wasting your own time, you know what I'm saying, while you're trying to make some money. So you don't want to sit there for an extra 90 seconds every single time you get an order thinking that it's not going to affect your acceptance rating when it is. So, all right, to answer your second question, so I'm going to show you up on my screen. What you do is you go up. While you're in the order, you go up, you click the little question mark in the round circle. It's like a circle around the question mark. You click that. This is for iPhones too. So you click that. Then you hit can't do this order. Then you select which order. Then you select the reason why you can't do this order. And then they should let you back out. Sometimes after you've been at a restaurant for so long, that option disappears and you actually have to text support and have them unassign you from that order. So either way, you can definitely unassign from an order if the restaurant is taking too long, and that's how you do it. I hope that helps you out, Sarah, and I hope that helps anybody else out that need an answer to that question.